Let's jump into our environmental monitoring transmitters. Our environmental transmitters are designed to monitor current and voltage, temperature and humidity, or the detection of water. Some of these have their own built-in sensors, and others allow you to wire up an external sensor for external monitoring. All of our environmental transmitters use the same CR1238 battery. These transmitters here are designed to only work with an EN4000 serial receiver or EN6040 network coordinator. But we still make some that are designed to work with an Inovonics EchoStream receiver, like our EN1751 water detector and our EN1752 temperature detector transmitters. Let's start by discussing our EN1702 current voltage transmitter. It takes a CR1238 battery and provides up to 8 years of battery life. It has dual inputs that allow you to monitor two identical analog sensors. Based off of the jumper settings, you can change the sensor configuration to monitor 4 to 20 milliamps, 0 to 10 volts, or 0 to 5 volts. The EN1721 is a built-in temperature and humidity sensor. It will send a message to its receiver periodically and any time there has been a significant change in temperature. It has a measurement range of -40 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and a humidity range of 0 to 90%. The typical accuracy is 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit and 2% humidity and has a 3 to 5 year battery life. The EN1722 requires the ACC 710 external temperature humidity sensor. It transmits back to its head end periodically and upon significant change. This sensor can detect temperature between -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 0 to 100% relative humidity. It has an accuracy of 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit and 2% humidity and has a 3 to 5 year battery life. The EN1723 provides internal measurement and external thermistor options in a single device. Like its sister transmitters, it will periodically send its temperature measurements upon significant change and can adjust the transmission levels from 10 seconds to 30 minutes and has the ability to measure a temperature range of -13 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit with the internal sensor and -22 degrees to 212 degrees Fahrenheit with the external probe. It has an accuracy of 0.8 degrees Fahrenheit and has a battery life of 8 years. The EN1751 has a 3 to 5 year battery life. Alarms upon detection of a 1/4 inch of non-distilled water, will send a tamper message if the probe wire is cut or disconnected, and is compatible with both Honeywell and Flare Electronics probes. The EN1752 has an 8 year battery life, can detect temperature from 80 degrees Fahrenheit as the high and 40 degrees Fahrenheit for the low, and with the ACC 17XX programming cable, it can be programmed with customized high and low temperature thresholds. The EN1752 is compatible with the Honeywell T280R probe for external monitoring applications.